Hashtag geek buying deal alert. FNIRSI 1013D tablet oscilloscope. Hey tech geeks! Headphone. Just stumbled upon an amazing deal on geek buying for the FNIRSI 1013D tablet oscilloscope. Exploding head. This bad boy is a 7-inch touchscreen beauty with 2 channels, 100 MHz bandwidth, and a whopping 1 GSA/S sampling rate. Exploding head. Perfect for troubleshooting electronics, analyzing signals, and even learning about circuits. Man technologist. And the best part? It's currently on sale for a steal. Money mouth face. So if you're looking for a powerful and portable oscilloscope, head over to Geek Buying and grab this deal before it's gone. Man running dashing away. Link in bio link.